Good evening, everyone. It's the first day of December 2015, a Tuesday. Yippee! It's almost Christmas. It's already December, so we are all getting ready for the big festive celebration. And today I'm a little bit tired, a little bit drained because we are on the second week of construction nearby, and so I had to endure the noise pollution and everything, all the drilling and excavation. But I have to bear with those things because I'm happy to be here with my family. If I see my 2-year-old grandnephew, I'm already happy that way. I cannot be comfortable elsewhere, so I suppose home is where the heart is. And my heart is with my family now, so I don't feel so helpless and disabled with them around, my family around. I feel more alone if they are not with me. So I think it's important that you are with the people you love, right? Okay, have a nice day, everyone. Bye.